Today, I'm going to show you how to use QuickBooks with Mailchimp to automate and maintain customer relationships using Zapier. This is a simple but powerful workflow that helps you connect your accounting and email marketing so you can stay organized, save time, and keep your customers engaged without doing everything manually. If you run a small business, freelancer operation, or growing online brand, this setup can make a huge difference in how you follow up with new customers. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and log into your account. Zapier is the automation platform that will connect QuickBooks and Mailchimp together for you. Once you're inside Zapier, click Create, then choose Zaps. This will take you to the automation builder where you can create a new workflow from scratch. Now you need to set up your trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Click Trigger, then type QuickBooks into the app search bar. From the results, select QuickBooks Online. After that, click Choose an Event. For this workflow, select New Customer. That means every time a new customer is added in QuickBooks, Zapier will recognize it and send that information into your next step. If you haven't connected your QuickBooks account yet, go ahead and sign in when prompted. Make sure you choose the correct business account so your automation pulls the right customer data. Once the trigger is selected, move on to the Action step. Click Action, then type Mailchimp into the search bar. Select Mailchimp from the results. Next, click Choose an Event and pick Create Audience. This is the part where Zapier sends customer data from QuickBooks into Mailchimp so you can build and maintain your email list automatically. If your Mailchimp account is not connected yet, sign in and authorize access. Again, double-check that you're linking the correct account and audience settings before continuing. After that, click Build It. This opens the step where you can map the data between QuickBooks and Mailchimp. In most cases, you'll want to assign customer details like name, email address, and any other relevant contact information. This way, when a new customer is created in QuickBooks, they can also be added to your Mailchimp audience without you having to manually copy and paste anything. This automation is especially useful for customer relationship management. You can use it to welcome new clients, send updates, share offers, and keep your audience informed as your business grows. It also helps prevent missed follow-ups because your customer list stays updated automatically in the background. As you finish setting things up, take a moment to review your workflow carefully. Make sure the trigger is set to New Customer in QuickBooks Online, and make sure the action is set correctly in Mailchimp. Once everything looks good, turn on your Zap and test it if possible. Testing helps confirm that the integration is working the way you want before you rely on it fully. And that's it. You've now connected QuickBooks with Mailchimp, using Zapier to automate customer updates and maintain stronger customer relationships. This kind of setup can save time, reduce manual work, and help you stay consistent with your marketing and communication. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.